So vegan diet, that's another way that detox can be pursued, but under the condition the vegan diet is healthy. A lot of unhealthy concept of vegan diet present, and once the person gives up the animal products, let's say, and heavy proteins, then they crave for heaviness and bulkiness in their food and go on to consuming a lot of flour products, grains, and legumes, which may not be very healthy then, and accumulate that adipose tissue. In which way the vegan diet is not really a detoxing, but may actually be harmful and bring about obesity and accumulation, retention of toxic waste too. Raw food diet is an excellent way to detox, and that would probably be one of the ultimate detoxifying diets. And it's not only associated with the physical body and physical food, but it's also with the energy, because raw food is energy and cooked food, let's say, is more of the material nature. So the energy of raw food can be very strong detoxifier, and yet the energy of raw food needs to also be assimilated correctly by the body. Therefore, not many people can sustain raw food in the long run, but the short-term raw food diet can be very cleansing and purifying. The same thing concerns the fruit diet, which can bring the effect of detoxification to the body. Some people may learn how to assimilate the etheric energy, the universal cosmic energy, which we can tap into and then begin living off of, which is the very high level of sourcing the energy, because otherwise we're sourcing the energy from our own body. We're pulling the energy reserves of each cell and utilizing just that for life processes within the body, but not many people can sustain it, at least in the long term. In this case, it becomes more like a cleansing type of diet. The juices is the same. Usually people drink juices as the cleansing phase, where they hydrolyze, they break down and move the toxins with the help of enzymes and juices. And pretty much any detox and cleanse is all about enzymes and how toxins get digested by the enzymes and eliminating them. And enzymes are proteins in their nature. They can be found in a plant-based kingdom, and our body produces them too. Elimination diet is the way when individual excludes certain types of foods. Usually this is the heavy type of food, some animal products or grains and legumes that would be eliminated. If the person practices for a longer time, then it becomes detoxifying. Mono diet is when the person is consuming only one type of food item, for example, apples. And what that does is that it reduces the complexity of the food and variety of nutrients in it, which actually gives the rest to our digestive organs, to liver, and especially to pancreas. So pancreas doesn't have to produce a lot of enzymes in different combinations and quantities, and can take a little rest. At the same time, that food item can provide basic nutrients in order to support general energy level.